On a two-digit number. So whenever we have a two-digit number question, we need to first find out the two-digit number. So let us take tens as x and ones digit to be y. So the number would be 10 into its digit plus 1 into its ones digit. We get 10x plus y. So now seeing the question, the sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 12. So the digit sum, that is x plus y, is equal to 12. This is our first equation. The number obtained by interchanging its digit. So before finding the next equation, let us find the interchanged number. So now here we will interchange the digit. Now the tens digit is y, ones digit is x. So the new number is going to be 10 into its digit, that is y, plus 1 into its digit. So we get 10y plus x. So the number obtained by interchanging its digit exceeds the given number by 18. So the new number, that is 10y plus x, is equal to the original number. Exceeds 18 means it is more than 18, plus 18. So here when we get everything on one side, so 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to 18. So 10y minus y is 9y minus 9x is 18. Taking 9 common, we get y minus x is equal to 2. So this is our second equation. So once we get the two equations, we can now use elimination or substitution. So the equations are y minus x is equal to 2 and y plus x is equal to 12. So adding both the equations, y plus y is 2y plus x minus x cancel. 2 plus 12 is 14. So y is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. So you putting it in any of the equation, we can find the value for x. So we have y minus x is 2, y is 7 minus x is 2. So 7 minus 2 is x, 5 is equal to x. X is 5, y is 7. Now to find the number, we need to find the original number. So the original number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y, substituting the value, 10 into 5 plus 7, 50 plus 7. So the two-digit number is 57.